first day back to work and I am immediately over it. My computer doesn't work and my son's getting his 4-month shot, so you're gonna come with that. But my biggest fear happened. Hannah's big Christmas gift came and the words are plastered on the other side. So I had to haul this in by myself, which it has handles to team lift. What do you think it is? That's one box. The other box I did wrap. And no, that's not a body in a bag, it's a mattress. Here's the second box. Also, wrap job's good. We are at the doctor for Finley's 4-month shots.
You're always cutting my head off.
That's because I don't know how to work this. There you go. Ready?
I guess so. Makes me sad.
Why?
I don't like to see him cry.
Oh, you're talking about the appointment? Yeah, look at how cute he is. Can I show him that picture of getting in the car? Yes, but it's his 4 months and we do him split to where he only gets like 2 at a time so that he doesn't get overwhelmed. But look at how cute this kid is. That's my baby. And then I have to go get a screen from Best Buy.
And get us some lunch. I win 17-5.
Oh.
All day. All right.
Mom's been working, and this Mom has been doing some tummy time. Look at this little band-aid. I like your shorts.
I don't think I don't have any pants on.
Babos, do you love your baby? Oh, get in there. Fun fact, I work for a technology company, and all day I have been trying to get my computer set back up because, you know, the sporadic break I was on apparently broke it. But I have had this computer since 2019, which is pretty old. But it's now 3 o'clock and I've gone through 4 IT people and I'm almost like, maybe it was not meant for me to return back to work. And somebody, this little guy, hey, is almost ready to roll over. So we got him a Harpagate so that I can work, and you won't escape because that won't cut it. I love how we always have the caterpillar hanging over the edge to look at him. That's his fave. He got shots today, so he's not having it. All right, babe, let's do it.
I don't really know how to get it out.
I'll help you.
A are the long ones.
These the short and the gate. Then we have a short one and the gate.
So I need an A.
Do you want to suction? I don't think we should suction it to the floor because I want to move it on the.
What?
8 minutes in, and look, she's all done. Even though I put the pieces on wrong. All right, so this is little Finley's cage. Fence. So yeah, his room's kind of a mess right now. He has not been sleeping well, so it's chaos. But yeah. Happy Vlogmas day 3. This is my first real day at work because my computer was kind of broken all day. So I work in IT. Okay, listen, somebody will ask me what my job is and I'll be real honest with you. I tell people I work in technology or I'm a content creator before I tell them like I'm in customer success. So basically you have sales who sell stuff and then if anything else is wrong, it comes to me. So that's kind of where that goes. I was a huge corporate girly. I was a big fan of climbing the corporate ladder for a very long time. And then I got pregnant and had a kid. And I was getting so stressed out in my manager job. I loved being a manager. I loved my team. Still in their team message today. Absolutely adore them. Couldn't have asked for a better team. Just kind of the atmosphere and everything. It was changing and it was the same like part of the company I had been in since I started. So I think I just needed something new. So I stepped down and went to deal with larger enterprises. And I'm hoping, I don't know for sure, but I'm hoping that it's less stressful than my manager job. I'm making more money, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, I kind of took a break because your priorities shift once you have a kid. As much as I wanted to climb the corporate ladder, I still have goals, and I still want Finley to see that me and his mom have goals. But together, me and Hannah have like 7 degrees, and I spend all this time going to school. The job I'm at now, you don't even have to have that degree because there are people who are way higher than me that don't have the degrees that I have. So you kind of just shift your mindset. And with it being the holidays, I just remember like being so stressed out because people want to take PTO and you don't want to be the manager that's kind of saying no. And then when it gets busy, I'm going to jump in there with you guys. And that's something that's a rare quality I found out. So I did. I took a step down to get more pay and to spend more time with Finley, kind of on a leniency. But that's a little bit about my job. And Hannah is an ER nurse, but she's also in school for a nurse practitioner, and she starts her clinicals in a month, which means she's gonna be gone 5 to 6 days a week, and I'm gonna be working. So we're trying to learn how to balance that. I don't wanna put Finley in daycare, which I know a lot of people will be like, why? We did choose to vaccinate our child slowly, like we're not doing it super fast. But I also don't wanna miss the milestones that are happening with him. Like he's almost rolling over, and I see how much it kills Hannah when she's not here. She's like, oh, if he does it, make sure you get it on camera. And then when she is here and I'm in my office, which is literally right down the hallway, I kind of freak out and I'm like, what's he doing? And I want to come run in here. You don't want to miss those moments. And even though one of us may miss it, I would rather it be seen by us than a daycare. And I know not everybody has that luxury, but working from home, that's something I prioritize, and my work knows that. Say bye with Barney.
Scary Barney.
We've come to the conclusion that Barney that we grew up with no longer exists.
Yeah, you can't find any 1990s Barney stuff. It's
Look,
new.
oh my gosh.
Barney's World. Wait, I got Baby Bop. Let me show you Baby Bop.
This looks like Barney might eat you. You like this, man? You like the singing. What has happened to Barney?
Wait till you see Baby Bop.
Where's her blankie?
I don't know who this is. But this is not Baby Bop.
Let's see Pebbles.
There's some of my babies.
Baby Bop looks a little better than Barney.
No, this is the wrong green for Baby Bop.
And where's her blankie?